Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, a urologist and men's health specialist with 7 years of experience helping men over 50 regain confidence, pleasure, and connection in their intimate lives. Today, we're diving into a topic many men feel shy about: how to pleasure a woman with your fingers, the right way for maximum impact. You might be thinking, fingering? Isn't that something young men figure out? Not true. In fact, for men over 50, learning how to do this correctly can transform intimacy, deepen emotional bonds, and make every encounter more pleasurable for both of you. Before we start, do me a favor, like this video, comment below. Where are you watching from? And subscribe so you never miss these tips designed specifically for men over 50 who want to feel confident and skilled in the bedroom. Here's a common misconception. Fingering is simple. Anyone can do it, so there's no need to learn. Wrong. Like golf or cooking, skill makes a difference. A man who understands how to stimulate a woman biologically, emotionally, and practically can unlock levels of pleasure most men never reach. Biologically, your fingers are flexible, sensitive, and precise, far more versatile than a penis for certain types of stimulation. The clitoris, vaginal lips, and G-spot all respond to subtle movements, pressure, and timing, things fingers can excel at. Emotionally, women don't just respond to touch, they respond to patience, attentiveness, and connection. Fingering becomes not just a physical act, but an intimate language of care. Practically approach it like a professional. Clean hands, trimmed nails, and deliberate movements. Skip these basics, and you risk discomfort or even cutting her delicate tissue. I've worked with countless men over 50 who assumed intimacy was past them, but once they learned proper technique and pacing, their partners reported more intense orgasms, stronger connection, and renewed attraction. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through 7 tips that will elevate your skill. These are science-backed, easy to remember, and effective for men of any age. Mistake number 1, skipping foreplay. Many men think foreplay is just a prelude, something to get through. Biologically, a woman's body responds gradually. Blood flow increases to the genitals. The vaginal walls lubricate, and the clitoris becomes highly sensitive. Skipping this causes reduced pleasure and potential discomfort. Emotionally, foreplay signals attentiveness, patience, and respect for her experience. Practically, start with kissing, touching her neck, caressing thighs, and teasing over clothing before moving directly to her vagina. This anticipation creates stronger arousal and deeper pleasure. A patient in his early 60s admitted he always skipped foreplay. After trying slow, deliberate teasing, he noticed her body responded much more openly, making intimacy far more satisfying for both. Mistake number 2, rushing inside. Some men go straight for penetration with fingers, treating her like a slab of meat. Biologically, her tissues need gradual stimulation. Starting too fast can cause pain and reduce sensitivity. Emotionally, this signals impatience or lack of care, killing desire before it begins. Practically, begin by gently stroking the vaginal lips, tracing circles around the clitoris, and feeling her responses. Wait for signs of arousal, heavy breathing, increased lubrication, subtle movements before inserting a finger. One couple told me, once he slowed down and focused on me first, I felt truly seen and enjoyed it so much more than before. Mistake number 3, using too much pressure or fingers too soon. Many men assume more is better. It's not. Biologically, vaginal tissue is delicate, overly firm. Pressure or multiple fingers too early can cause discomfort or pain. Emotionally, using force undermines trust and may make her withdraw. Practically, start with 1 finger. Gently explore and use a come-hither motion. Only add a 2nd finger if she shows clear readiness. Keep movement slow, responsive, and adjust to her reactions. A man reported trying 2 fingers immediately, which she disliked. After switching to a slow one-finger approach, she was much more responsive, and the experience became intensely pleasurable. Mistake number 4, ignoring the G-spot. Many men don't know where it is or how to stimulate it. Biologically, the G-spot lies 1 to 2 in inside on the anterior wall, with dense nerve endings. Proper stimulation causes strong, deep sensations that contribute to intense orgasms. Emotionally, successfully finding and stimulating it builds trust and excitement, showing you pay attention to her body. Practically, use the come hither motion. Start slow, build gradually, and watch her cues, moans, body movements, and breathing. Avoid in and out pounding, which is ineffective here. A man in his 50s admitted he avoided G-spot stimulation. After guidance, his partner reported orgasms she hadn't had in years, leaving both thrilled and connected. Mistake number 5, not paying attention to feedback. Women will often give verbal and nonverbal signals. Ignoring them is a big mistake. Biologically, every woman's response varies. Some prefer clitoral stimulation only. Others enjoy deeper penetration. Emotionally, listening and adjusting communicates care, patience, and attentiveness, enhancing trust. Practically, watch her body, ask gentle questions, and adapt your technique accordingly. One patient noted that small adjustments, changing speed or angle, dramatically increased her pleasure, reinforcing the importance of paying attention. Mistake number 6, skipping hygiene. It may sound basic, but clean, well-groomed hands are essential. Biologically, cuts, long nails, or dirt can cause infections or discomfort. Emotionally, clean hands communicate respect and care. Practically, trim nails, wash hands, and ensure smooth skin before any intimate contact. I once had a man unaware that rough nails were hurting his partner. After simple grooming, her responses improved dramatically, showing how small steps make a big difference. Mistake number 7, ignoring emotional connection. Physical skill alone isn't enough. Biologically, emotional safety enhances blood flow, lubrication, and arousal, making stimulation more effective. Emotionally, women often orgasm more reliably when emotionally connected, not just physically. Practically, combine touch with eye contact, affirming words, and patience. Emotional presence amplifies physical pleasure. One patient shared, "Once I focused on connecting emotionally, every session became more passionate and satisfying than ever." Here's your step-by-step guide. Prepare, clean, trim nails, wash hands, warm up. Engage in full-body foreplay, teasing, and anticipation. Start gentle. One-finger soft strokes outside first. Respond to feedback. Adjust pressure, speed, and number of fingers based on her reactions. G-spot stimulation. Come hither motion. Gradual pressure, careful observation. Emphasize emotional connection, eye contact, gentle words, reassurance. Maintain hygiene. Keep hands clean, smooth, and trimmed. Follow these steps and you'll create powerful, memorable experiences that women will appreciate and return to. Gentlemen, intimacy isn't about speed or performance. It's about connection, presence, and responsiveness. Even small gestures, slow teasing, gentle exploration, or mindful observation can transform your relationship, improve pleasure, and enhance trust. Remember, age does not diminish your ability to excite or satisfy a partner. With patience, practice, and awareness, your experiences can be richer than ever. Tonight, try approaching intimacy with patience, attentiveness, and care. Observe her cues, start slow, and prioritize emotional connection as much as physical technique. If this video helped, like, comment which tip surprised you the most, and subscribe for more expert guidance tailored for men over 50. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, reminding you small mindful changes today can bring comfort, confidence, and connection tomorrow. Your age is an advantage. You bring experience, presence, and the ability to truly understand and pleasure your partner.